As usual, if you have any questions throughout this video, please remember to leave a comment in the comments section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Anyways, let's jump right into the lesson. Now what we're going to do is we're going to play the first 4 frets of every string, and we're going to play the first fret with our index finger, second fret with our middle finger, third fret with our ring finger, and fourth fret with our pinky. Now we're going to try to start on the 6th string and we're going to do alternate picking. So we're going to do down, up, and then we'll move on to the 5th string. So it should sound something like this. Once you get here, go backwards. If you have trouble doing your alternate picking on your right hand, feel free to just do down picks for now until you get the accuracy you need for your alternate picking. Now this exercise is great for helping you build up your coordination between your left hand and your right hand, and it also builds up your finger accuracy on your left hand, so aiming near the fret wire of every fret.